What's the meaning of calico? Calico. Calico.
Calico. Calico. Calico refers to a type of fabric that is typically made from a combination of cotton fibers and other materials such as linen or silk. The fabric is characterized by its brightly colored, often floral or geometric patterns, which are woven into the material using a variety of techniques. The term calico is also used more broadly to describe any kind of fabric with a similarly bright and patterned appearance. In modern usage, calico can also refer to a breed of domestic cat that is known for its distinctive coat of white, black, and orange fur.